cumin, the paprika, the seasoning cubes, like the onion powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, that is 40%. 60% is the kuli. In fact, like I said, I blended this in batches. The first batch I blended with the spices that I added. The remaining batch that I did was just kuli, nothing else. Okay, so people should recreate it. In Kemshe, you have tasted in Kem, tell them how is the suya spice. It's very bonkers. How you see them. So I'm hoping that this video is helpful to you. If you have any questions whatsoever, ask me in the comment section. I'm more than happy to answer you. And I personally, I love the consistency and I love the color of this. But a few people actually use coloring, coloring spices. I don't like that and I don't want it. For me, this is good enough. So we're going to proceed to making our suya with our homemade suya spice. I'm going to be preheating my scan first oven, and I will be preheating this at 180 using the top and bottom burner, no fan. So I have here some lamb, I have here chicken thighs, and I strongly recommend chicken thighs for any kind of suya. No breast, please use the thighs. Just bone it and fillet it like this. We're going to cut it into small pieces and put them on our skewers. Very important, when you're using beef to make suya, you want to ask for lean beef, because this one is perfectly suited for making suya. So we're also going to cut this into tiny strips, and you want to use a very, very sharp knife. So I'm done with the beef. I'm now going to proceed to placing my suya pepper in a flat surface. I would now take oil and I would put it over my protein. So over the lamb, over the chicken. So just going to put vegetable oil. Now what this acts as is going to act as a binder. Okay? For your protein. Now that you have massaged the oil in, right? You're going to take your skewer, and I recommend that you wet the skewer before you do this. So I just put mine in water and took it out. You're now going to take your skewer. This is our lamb meat, and we're going to do this. So you know how they used to teach us to sew when we were kids. You're taking, it's like you're making a stitch almost. Like that. You see that? So you want this to be spread. Now, if you want it to go in more, you can take another lamb as you have it like this and go in again, just like that. Like you're sewing something. And just merge it. Okay? So here, our meat is on the skewer. So we'll take this, put it here, and we pat it. You want to take your suya pepper and just make sure that it goes all over the meat. Okay? We'll place it. And we're going to keep repeating that process until we have exhausted all the lamb. And we're going to proceed to the chicken. So for the chicken, I would season it first before I put it on the skewer. Remember, I already put my vegetable oil. I'm just going to cut this into, about 3 inches sizes. This is our last piece. As with your chicken, and same thing like we did for the lamb. And just tap and tap. So here is ready to go into the oven, and I have my oven right.